Greetings! Today I'm going to open the box of the latest new tuned Airfix Westland Wessex HC.2. Here you are, that's the clear transparencies. Here's the sprues of the fuselage. A nice grey plastic. The wheels. The helicopter blades, the interior for the seats and so on, the details of the aircraft interior, the transfers, both of the Uruguay markings as well as the RAF, including Hong Kong markings from 1978. Here are the instructions. This is basically how you build the interior. This is all your cockpit. The fuselage being put together. The exterior. The tail boom. Tail rotors. The main rotor heads. This is the RAF 1995 West Midlands. This is Uruguay's, and this is the Royal Air Force Saigon in Hong Kong 1978.